The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, power sunroof, power liftgate, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.